Alright, so guys, I'm about to rig this up real quick. So I got this little Guggen Squad frog up here, which I can't wait to use at some point, but today I'm not really feeling it. It's like middle of the day, so it's a little too hot to be fishing anything up top of the water. You're gonna want something a little more with a little more finesse than that. Now, don't hook yourself, and that should do it. Fluorocarbon is invisible, and I kept losing fish last time I was here. I was catching 3-4 pounders in these little ditches, and they kept breaking off. I guess because of my braid, I was using 15-pound braid. This is going to be 20-pound fluorocarbon, pure fluorocarbon. So this is probably going to do it. I'm thinking this will get them in, and hopefully the line will not break. So I'm going to ease up on that. But yeah, that should be good. And we are on our way to catch a fish. So yeah. Alright, so basically I'm just by I'm by St. Peter's, and I'm walking down this little greenway, this walkway, and what we're gonna see is just some water. As we move down further along, the closer we get to the Tar River, we'll see some water in these creeks over here, and that's gonna be the best place to fish, because that's where a lot of bass are like nesting. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but there's a thunderstorm about to roll in. It hasn't rained in a good 3 or 4 days now, which the last time it rained, it was like the first time in weeks. So it's going to be pretty good fishing. Okay, this time we're going to use the Ned rigs. Let's see what happens. I've got to find out where that bowfin went. Working out so great.
Caught anything yet?
Not yet. Got one. There we go. First catch of the day. Not bad. I'll take him. He is spazzing out. Dude. Chill. First catch of the day. I don't know why he's flipping out. The other ones were not. Your friends were a lot more chill whenever I brought him out of the water, but I'll put him in over here. But yeah, nice little 1-pounder. That was such a big splash, I don't like that. But yeah, one down. Here we go. Over there. Oh my gosh. Oh. Got him. Got him. This one is feisty too. Dude, don't tell me this is the same one. I mean, no. It looks like him. This one might be a little smaller. Look, I bet that bowfin got him something. Yeah, I'm kind of taking him over here though, so I don't spook these other fish whenever I throw them back in. Ooh. And there he goes. I was wondering why it felt so light. Dang it. One of those mother freakers snatched it off of me. Freaking dang it, Joe. There he is. There's old Johnny. Got him. Hey, buddy. He's a skinny, this is a little bass. This is a little guy. Whoa. What the heck is up with his mouth, though? Ew. Damn. Take it easy, guy. Take it easy. Okay? Okay. Take it easy. Okay? Just take it easy. Okay? We're gonna be okay. Boom. See? Little guy. Gosh, what happened to you, buddy? You tried to eat something that did not like it, huh? He's like looking at me like, yo, look at his eyes. That's crazy. All right. There he is. Yep, so this storm is about to move in, and I was able to land a few bass here and there, but nothing really crazy. I definitely want to come back here whenever the water is not so low. Here, if I can get one more fish, I'd be very satisfied. One that's not a little 1-pounder. Holy crap, there's the bowfin. There's the bowfin. There's the bowfin. Okay. 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 I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Jesus, I'm gonna get him. In Jesus' name. Get stuck right in this moment. Oh, come on. Come on. All right, so caught a couple of bass. I spotted a huge bowfin a couple of times, but all in all, not my greatest day of fishing that I've had. All I was using was lunker logs on some basically green pumpkin lunker logs that you can get at Academy on some offset size, like 8 hooks, 7, whatever, I don't know, just a regular size bass hook. And I was using just a little angler rod with a Shimano reel, something lightweight, something that'll give me a lot of flexibility but strength at the same time, to be able to reel in those fish. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Man, I'd love to be able to show y'all some of my better days of fishing, because it seems like every time I don't exactly get to show it on camera, all the good stuff. But hey, just gonna keep on moving. Keep it moving and keep on fishing. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.